Okay, so let's look at a conversation. Conversation at hotel reception. So we're booking a hotel room. Let's have a practice conversation, what it could basically turn out like. So Monie, hello, do you have any free rooms? Do you have any room at all? Doesn't matter if it's small or big, any room, no matter which floor, any, please, any room, any. Because any means greater than one. Something greater than one, perhaps? Something greater than one, two maybe, or three, any? Adrian, yes, we have a double room. Double room for two people. Double room, double. Double for two. Double room. But that is more than enough space I need. It's too much. Too much space. It's more than enough. If enough is here, I need more, need more, need more, a little more, a little more, a little more. Enough. I have enough. Any more is too much. Too much. More than enough. Plenty. Enough. Stop. 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 Enough. More than enough. Too much. Too much. More than enough space. 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 Room. Space. We have smaller rooms. Smaller. Small. Small. Smaller. Smallest. So we have this room, but this room is smaller. Not as big. So we have smaller rooms. Yes. Good. How much for 3 nights? Question mark. 3 nights. Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night. Leave on a Thursday. 3 nights. Normally we talk about hotels in terms of nights. 1 night, 2 night, 3 night, 4 nights. If I stay there 4 nights, Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night. Check in Monday, leave Friday morning. Check out Friday morning before midday. So that will be £100. £100. Here you are. Oh, very good. Here you are. Here you are. Here you are. So £100 for 3 nights. So it's £33 a night, roughly. 33. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Here is your key. Thank you very much, £100. Here is your key. The key. How cool is that? How cool is that? And with the key, enter the room, lock it, and beyond. Very nice. So, let's look at some words. Free room. Anything that's vacant. 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 Like it's empty and waiting for you. No one's using it. Double room, 2 people. 2 people. And any. More than one, any. I'll take a room that's big, small, any. Doesn't matter. It does not matter. But this one has more than enough. We need this much room, but this room has got too much space. Too much room. Something smaller will do nicely. Do you have anything smaller? Any smaller rooms? Yes, we do have. How cool is that? 3 nights, £100. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Here you are. Nice. So, hello, do you have any free rooms? Yes, we have a double room. That is more than enough space. I need. More than enough space. I need. We have smaller rooms. Good. How much for 3 nights? Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night. That will be £100, so £33 a night. Very good. Very good. Here you are. Here you are, the money. Thank you very much. Here is your key. Here is your key. How cool is that, language explorers? How cool is that? Let's keep exploring.